Alright, let's get this update started. I just got it this morning. Let me hit the install. Let's go.
An eternity later.
Welcome back to my channel. So earlier this morning I had an update. What update should it be? Did I get Sentry Mode finally? Let's check it out. Whoop, dog mode. And fortunately my dog ran away. Oh man, he would have loved this. Alright, we got dog mode. Auto folding mirrors based on location. What update is this? 2019.5.15. So here I'm just checking out if there is any. I did see Sentry Mode in my app, and I did turn it on before I came out here. I don't see anything new. 90%, and only have 278. So I usually get 279. I did not get the 5% increase, which I believe 325. 90% is 292. I did not get the 5% that I was supposed to get, but it's okay. It's a lot of miles anyways. But hopefully I get this 90% up to it should be 292. Yep. I got the black X on my dash cam. That's weird. Probably just needs formatting. That was just my first impression leaving on this update going to work. Autopilot on the turnpike. Bad. I do wish I had that extra 5%. Maybe in a different update. We'll see. Lane change. Not bad. Thanks for watching. It's been a while since I got an update. If you haven't gotten an update, reformat that USB, make sure it's working. And I guess if you're using the USB, you should get an update, or most likely everybody's getting updates right now. I'm looking in Twitter, but I did it this morning. Hey, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Till the next update. Peace.